This is Sang-Sil Byung-nong from Sensor Studio with the latest Middle East war news. This is Tel Aviv, Holon. Iran launched a missile attack and debris is visible. In Isfahan, Israel attacked Iran's nuclear facility and damaged its security command center. US and Israeli forces also struck Isfahan's airbase. About 20 nationalist crimes have occurred in the West Bank. There have been incidents where Israelis attacked Palestinian residents, and they even set fire to vehicles and houses. As a result, 11 Palestinian residents were injured. The Israeli military continues its ground offensive in southern Lebanon, attacking several Hezbollah strongholds and killing at least 10 fighters. In Israel, a ballistic missile struck a downtown area, causing casualties. Clashes between Hezbollah and Israeli forces are escalating, with Hezbollah ambushing and destroying 2 Israeli military vehicles. In Baghdad, Iraq, a NATO Hercules transport aircraft landed. The representative of Iran's International Maritime Organization stated that as long as the Iranian government receives cooperation on safety and security measures, foreign ships can continue to pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Iran also announced that the Strait of Hormuz is completely open to countries that are not hostile. The Iranian military has changed its operational doctrine from a defensive strategy to an offensive strategy. The Iranian military claims that they shot down an F-15 fighter jet over the Strait of Hormuz, according to Iran. The Israeli military attacked desalination and power facilities, causing serious damage. Israel and the United States expect that the Houthi rebels will join the fighting starting from the 23rd. The Gerald Ford carrier has been deployed to the operation. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi had a phone call with Omani Foreign Minister Badr al-Busaidi to discuss the recent developments in the war between the United States and Israel. Foreign Minister Araghchi explained Iran's position on the recent changes in the regional situation, and Ambassador al-Busaidi offered his congratulations on Eid al-Fitr and the Iranian New Year. The Saudi Arabian Ministry of Defense said it intercepted and destroyed a drone headed for the oil-rich eastern region. Today, a helicopter crashed in Qatar. The Qatari Ministry of Interior reported 6 deaths and 1 missing person who was later found during the search. I will upload another video if there are updates. Thank you for watching. Korean subtitles.